Hey, I'm Lisa G with Lisa G & Co., your local Triangle Realtor. And today, we're talking directly to my empty nesters. Your kids are gone, the house feels quiet, and you're starting to ask yourself, do I really need all this space? Let's dig into 7 signs that it might be time to downsize, and the emotional and practical truths you shouldn't ignore. The emotional versus practical debate. Now listen, I get it. This house holds your life. I too am an empty nester. It's where birthdays were celebrated and where homework was done at the kitchen table. I mean, the floor still creaks in the same spot that your teenager would tiptoe on as they snuck in from curfew. Here's the deal. At some point, your lifestyle changes. And when it does, you've got to ask yourself, am I living in this space or am I maintaining it for a version of life that has moved on? 7 signs it's time to downsize. Sign number 1, unused rooms. If half your house feels like a museum instead of a home, it just might be time to consider what space do you really need. Sign number 2, maintenance fatigue. If the idea of cleaning gutters or repainting your deck makes you want to take a nap, maybe it's time for less upkeep and more living. Sign number 3, utility bills keep climbing. If you are heating and cooling rooms that no one's using, that's cash flying out your window every single month. Sign number 4, the neighborhood is not what it used to be. If the neighbors have changed, if traffic has increased, or it just doesn't feel like home anymore, that's a big signal. Sign number 5, you're craving travel or freedom. Downsizing can give you flexibility to explore, relax, or even snag a cute condo at the beach one day. Sign number 6, you want to be closer to family. Whether it's grandkids or aging parents, being nearby can make all the difference. And last but not least, sign number 7, you want simplicity. Sometimes peace of mind looks like fewer stairs, smaller lawns, and a home that fits this chapter of your life perfectly. Cost savings and lifestyle freedom. Here's the bonus. Downsizing can also mean saving on property taxes, utilities, and time. With that freedom, you can use it to travel, enjoy hobbies, volunteer, or just relax for once. Now, if you're local to the Triangle, here are some amazing low-maintenance communities. Carolina Arbors in Durham, Del Webb at Traditions in Wake Forest, the Courtyards at Heritage Grove, and Flowers Plantation in Clayton. There are plenty more communities that could fit your lifestyle. If you just contact me, I'll let you know more. These neighborhoods offer beautiful homes, vibrant social circles, and stress-free living. If you're thinking about downsizing, grab my free Empty Nester Guide, a step-by-step plan to simplify, sell smart, and find your perfect next home in the Wake Forest, Raleigh-Durham, Triangle area. Click the link below to download it, or you can go to listings with Lisa G/empty nester and you can download it there. And if you're ready to talk it out with someone who gets it, I'm here for you. Let's make your next move your best move. Like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who might also be looking for a little motivation in terms of downsizing and purchasing another home as an empty nester. Thanks for watching. I'm Lisa G.